Yo, it's Shane here with another review, and today we're doing a review on this SoundLab mini Bluetooth speaker wavelength thing. Now, if we take a closer look, it's quite small. How the hell is, okay, cool, this is how it opens. As you can see, we got the charger and headphones lead with it. I thought this would have been a bit bigger, but obviously it ain't. In the advert it looked quite big, but obviously, as you can see, size of my hand actually fits in your hand perfect. Things about, see how long it is. It is about just over 5 inches long. Let's see what it's saying when you turn it on. Is there the switch there?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Ooh, that looks very nice. Quite nice. Ooh. Over here, what the music's saying. Give me a sec. Let's see what the music's saying. Right, now it's all connected up. As you can see, I got my Spotify ready to go. I'll quickly turn the light down. I quite like this, how this looks, the first one. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? Alright, let's turn the tunes up. Not that loud. Let's see if this works.
I love you in every way. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. I'll be waiting and drive a fast car. How we come from far. You remember when we only have 1 hour shirt and you muggle with me in a time come start. As long as we them on mass and on the earth, me not forget where me a come from. Me not go dish your dirt. I'll keep on loving you always. I don't know
So it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It fits perfect in your hand. Right. Lights are quite cool, so you could have a nice little disco party in the night. Other than that, not bad for £10. So at least make your kids a bit happy with a little portable disco party speaker from eBay. See how long it lasts. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. It's your boy Shane out. Take it easy.